what is Euclid's division algorithm? Euclid's division algorithm is a technique to compute the highest common factor of two given positive integers. Euclid's division algorithm actually involves Euclid's division lemma and is applicable for only positive integers. To obtain the HCF of two positive integers, say c and d, with c is greater than d, we have to follow the following steps. So step 1 is apply Euclid's division lemma to c and d. So we find whole numbers q and r such that c is equal to d into q plus r, where r is always greater than or equal to 0 and is always less than d. Step 2 is to check if r is equal to 0, then d is the HCF of c and d. If r is not equal to 0, then we apply the division lemma to d and r again. Remember, it is d and r and not d and c. Step 3 is to continue the process till the remainder is 0. The divisor at this stage will be the required HCF. Let's take an example to really summarize what we have understood in these steps. So let's say we have a challenge where we have to calculate the HCF of 867 and 255. So as we know 867 is greater than 255, we apply the division lemma to get 867 is equal to 255 into 3 plus 102. So here q becomes 3 and the remainder r is equal to 102. Now the step 2 is to check whether r is equal to 0 or not, and obviously 102 is not equal to 0. So now we apply the division lemma to d and r, which is 255 and 102. To get 255 is equal to 102 into 2 plus 51. Now we again consider the new divisor as 102 and the new remainder as 51 and apply the division lemma to get 102 is equal to 51 into 2 plus 0. Now we see that the remainder has become 0, so our procedure stops. Since the divisor at this stage is 51, the HCF of 867 and 255 is 51. It is important to note that 51 is the HCF of 102, 51. It is also the HCF of 255 and 102, and it is also the HCF for 867 and 255. It's time that you build your retention by visiting WaHPACT.com. Just go to the various courses and try some challenges. Happy learning!